How to change music speed on Spotify. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to open up your Spotify application. Make sure it is up to date and you are logged in. Now in here you'll find various of playlists just for you. If you tap on any of the music that you are listening to or want to listen, you will see that there is no such option as speeding up the music or slowing it down. However, this feature is available for your podcast. If you select on the option of podcast and select any one of these podcasts, then click on the play icon to play this podcast. You will see the option of speed at your left hand side. By tapping on it, you'll be able to adjust the speed of your Spotify podcast. However, this same feature is currently not available for your music. If you face any of the glitch or the bug issue in your Spotify, press and hold onto your Spotify application and head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.